Hi, I'm Priscilla and welcome to my Skillshare class. I'm an illustrator, surface pattern designer, and top teacher here on Skillshare. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to create watercolor leaves and wreaths in Procreate on the iPad. Watercolor botanicals are a timeless asset in graphic design. The delicate illustrated motifs add a handmade touch to everything from stationery to fabric, and I want to share how I use this process in my design workflow. In this class, you are going to learn basic techniques for using digital watercolor brushes, how to create two different styles of leaves and twigs, several techniques on how to adjust your colors to give that traditional watercolor look to your motifs, how to use the symmetry tools in Procreate to construct wreaths, and finally, how to cut out your watercolor leaves as standalone clip art with a transparent background so that they're ready for use as graphic assets. To simplify this design process, I've created the following resources that I would like to share with you so that you can use the same tools that I'm using every step of the way. A Procreate canvas with watercolor textured paper, a custom watercolor brush set, a Procreate color palette, and a Pinterest board for inspiration. All you will need to take this class is your iPad and your stylus. So if you have a spare hour to learn a few new skills that will level up your watercolor workflow in Procreate, join me in class.